Autonomous begins. These robots look to score. Killer Bees and Ponage together on the Red Alliance, both looking to put tons of fuel in that Red Alliance high efficiency goal. Fuel is all over the place for the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance also gets their first rotor turning. It looks like at the end of all of that fuel, the Red Alliance already has 45 kilopascals built up. Blue Alliance, though, does have the lead. They got 60 points for their first rotor. Red Alliance did not. Red Alliance, though, now pulls ahead that they've got their first rotor and second rotor turning. 20 points separate these teams. Red Alliance has already secured at least one ranking point in this match. Killer Bees, they collide with Sachem Aftershock underneath the Blue Alliance airship. It spins both of them off of their target, but they do recover quickly. Tons of action in the middle of the field. 1073 Force Team waits for a gear to come on up. We already have a very, very loud match here in qualification match number 97. 20 points still separate these teams with a minute and a half remaining in the match. Red Alliance has 2 rotors turning. The same can be said for the Blue Alliance. Blue is 1 gear away from their third. That gear gets posted on up to the pilot. He turns the crank, and we have 3 rotors turning for the Blue Alliance that will pull them into the lead. More gears coming up for Blue. They haven't pulled their reserve gear yet either. They have 3 out of the 6 that they are going to need for their 4th rotor. It looks like the Red Alliance also needs 1 more gear for their 3rd rotor now. Blue Alliance still has the advantage with less than 1 minute remaining in the match. Blue Alliance looking for their 4th rotor. They are almost there, figuring out where to place the gears given to them from their team. Livonia Warriors drop off a gear. It looks like the Blue Alliance needs 1 more gear for their 4th rotor. Red Alliance has their 3rd now. That means the Red Alliance, with a little bit of extra fuel from their robots, have tied it all up at 30 seconds remaining in the match. Sachem Aftershock tries to drop a gear, but it is not enough. Ponage putting up more and more fuel. Now only 5 points separate these teams, but robots are up in the air for the Red Alliance. Raider Robotics is up alongside 2 Alliance partners. 4 rotors turning for Red, 4 rotors turning for Blue. It's going to come down to who is in the air at the end of the match. It looks like all 6 robots might be there. A very tight score for qualification match number 97. A huge match here on Carson, a very, very high-scoring match from both alliances, but your Red Alliance was victorious. They score 381 to 375.